Did a software update break the JetBrains ReSharper Feature Services Web DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist. Let's fix the library mismatch and get JetBrains running again. I recommend the automated system scan for JetBrains ReSharper Feature Services Web to finish your setup in seconds. This is the JetBrains ReSharper Feature Services Web, part of the JetBrains ReSharper toolset UI. It manages the localized rendering of web development features in the IDE. If missing, the decompiler or code analysis window will display a blank panel or report module load failure, preventing developers from viewing code metrics. Enough of the technical side. Let's get these files back onto your system. This error is usually caused by corruption in Windows system files. Open Command Prompt as an administrator and execute sfc/scan now to scan and restore protected files like JetBrains ReSharper Feature Services Web DLL. When the primary installation path fails, a more surgical approach to checking your system's environmental variables is required. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the JetBrains ReSharper Feature Services web file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. With the restart confirmed as ineffective for this instance, let's analyze the registry settings next. If you need to pause the video while navigating the registry editor, feel free. Since the restart failed to clear the diagnostic error, we'll manually refresh the system counter manifests. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodc_r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance DLLs rely on accurate registry indexing to function. This step wipes the existing counter registration and forces the system to reconstruct a healthy link to the diagnostic manifests. Beyond the repair, maintaining a secure workstation requires avoiding a few common technical mistakes. It is important to avoid manual installation of JetBrains ReSharper Feature Services Web DLL if you are not a technical expert. One wrong move in your system directory can prevent your computer from booting entirely and result in data loss. Using a professional maintenance utility is a proactive step toward keeping your system state healthy and your software synchronized. A maintenance-related solution is referenced below for users who want to review diagnostic options for JetBrains ReSharper Feature Services Web. If this diagnostic helped you resolve JetBrains ReSharper Feature Services Web error, please like the video and subscribe for more technical insights and system stability tips.